First at 10, an in-depth look at a local agency trying to make a big impact in our nation's opioid crisis. A team of specially trained paramedics are doing something a little different when responding to overdose calls. It's a unique approach designed to make sure patients are getting the right treatment. KXAN's Arzo Dost gives us an inside look at the effort to curb a growing problem.
Daniel Sledge is in the middle of a storm.
It's headed your way.
One, he says, that's brewing bigger every day. The opioid crisis.
You're going to make sandbags and board up the windows, you know.
The paramedic is part of Williamson County's mobile outreach team. They work with EMS and respond to mental health calls. But now they're tackling something else. They'll be responding to overdose calls, too.
There's a big gap between the overdose itself and then when treatment might become available, especially to the populations that are uninsured or underinsured.
What Sledge's team is seeing is driving this program. From 2016 to 2017, Williamson County EMS saw a 39% increase in unintentional opioid overdoses. These are calls where naloxone was used, medication that can save lives.
Some of the times to get into a longer term treatment, especially for someone who is not insured, it could be a matter of weeks. And so what we want to do is take that and just make it a matter of hours.
The pilot program is part of a bigger push dubbed Community Risk Reduction.
Hey, Gordon.
And Round Rock's fire chief says it's vital.
We see folks that have needs, and they may not necessarily be needing an emergency room, an ambulance or a fire truck, but they have needs. And when we see these folks enough times, we say we've got to be able to step in.
The county already gives out naloxone to families with a history of overdose.
So they weren't used to.
Sledge is working with mental health and drug counselors.
We just want to be able to offer patients treatment and offer it fast.
Hoping what his team does now will weather this storm. Arzo Dost.
It's just a little mist.
KXAN News.
This pilot program is state funded. It comes on the heels of the U.S. Surgeon General urging Americans to carry and learn how to use naloxone. One of the opioid drugs responsible for the increase in overdoses, fentanyl. A KXAN investigation last year found the numbers are rising here in Central Texas. We also learned the state does not track these deaths and might be missing deadly trends. You can see how lawmakers are taking action after our investigation by checking out our full report on KXAN.com.